starting with last month, we saw major flooding in Washington state, made national news, caused a lot of damage to state highways and bridges. The governor's budget proposal increases spending on preservation and maintenance. Will that improve the condition of our state highways?
Well, it'll help a little bit, but I believe the governor's budget only includes about an additional $300 million for increased highway maintenance. But the Washington State Department of Transportation has estimated that more than $900 million a year is needed to get caught up on the huge backlog that's been created by a dozen years of underinvestment.